Information about timber market in Peru. Peru has a significant timber industry, with the Peruvian Amazon rainforest being one of the largest and most diverse tropical forests in the world. The timber market in Peru is primarily driven by the export of hardwoods, which are highly valued for their durability, strength, and beauty. Some of the most commonly harvested hardwoods in Peru include mahogany, cedar, and rosewood. These woods are used for a variety of purposes, including furniture, flooring, and construction. However, the timber industry in Peru has faced challenges in recent years, including illegal logging and deforestation. The Peruvian government has taken steps to address these issues, such as implementing a timber traceability system and cracking down on illegal logging operations. Despite these challenges, the timber market in Peru continues to grow. In 2020, Peru exported $164 million worth of wood and wood products, with the United States being the largest market for Peruvian timber exports.